Hi, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are having a beautiful day so far. As you can see, today's video is coming from my closet. I have been doing some outfit planning and I've gotten really into planning outfits for the week in advance. It has just made my mornings go so much more smoothly, not having to try things on and put outfits together and see if I feel like wearing it or if something doesn't fit me right. Having outfits planned in advance just simplifies my morning so much. And in that process, I have really started to declutter my wardrobe and just get honest with myself about the things that don't fit me right, or I don't really feel my best in, or for some reason they just don't suit me. I don't really want to wear certain items. And I find that when you do declutter those items from your wardrobe, it just makes it easier to see what's left, the clothes that you actually do enjoy wearing and the clothes that you are going to put together into outfits. And so I am going to share with you my tips for decluttering and my process for how I decide what to get rid of and what to keep. This video is in collaboration with POSHMARK, which is an amazing app for buying and selling clothing. And if you are a secondhand, eco-friendly fashion lover like I am, then I highly, highly recommend it. It's a great way to give new life to clothing that otherwise is just sitting in your closet, and you can also make some money as well. And it's also a great way to shop for clothing online. So, for example, I have a favorite dress that I loved from Aritzia, and I bought it in Canada, and it was just my favorite wrap dress. It was actually in a ton of my early YouTube videos, and I thought, you know what, this is just the perfect fit on me. I want to buy one in another color. But since it was from so many years ago, they didn't sell it anymore at Aritzia, so I went on POSHMARK and I found it in a purple. So I will show you this dress here. So it's a wrap dress. It is a 3/4 length sleeve, which is just my absolute favorite. And I just find that the wrap is super flattering and just so pretty. I love this dress so, so much. And I found this on POSHMARK. So if you have certain favorite items that you're like, oh, how come this style isn't in stores right now? Or, you know, a certain color of clothing that you're finding is just not as available in stores as it once was, then you can check POSHMARK and you can probably find the exact item that you're looking for in your size. So that was pretty cool. I was very excited about that find. If you live in the US or Canada and you don't already have the POSHMARK app, I highly recommend downloading it. I will put a link in the description box for it. And I'm going to show you some of the items that I'm going to be listing in my closet. And I'm going to sell everything for $10. And my POSHMARK name is Mel Alexandria 01. So I will link that in the description box as well, so you can come check out my POSHMARK store. And so this is one of the dresses. This is a Michael Kors dress. I never wore this dress. It is so, so beautiful. I just tried it on the other day, and since I've lost weight, it just doesn't fit and it doesn't look right. And it's so pretty. It's actually perfect for the holidays. It's like a thick metallic jacquard kind of material, and it's got this zipper, and it's just so pretty for the holidays. It's a size 2, but honestly I feel that it fits more like a size 4. When I tried it on, there's just a lot of room under the arm area here, and it just doesn't fit. I wish it did, because I would wear this in a heartbeat. It is so, so, so pretty, and it's honestly in amazing condition. So yes, I'm going to be listing this one in my closet. Next is an item that does fit me, but for some reason I just have never reached for it. So my tip number 1 for deciding on what to get rid of is, if it doesn't fit, it's got to go. If something has been sitting in your closet and you're thinking, well, it's so pretty and I'm sure it would look good if it did fit me, you have to kind of be honest with yourself and just say, it doesn't fit. It doesn't fit. It hasn't fit for a while. It's unfortunate if you didn't get the wear out of it that you wanted to when it did fit, if you have lost weight, or maybe it never fit. Maybe you bought it and it just never fit you and you thought one day I might wear it anyways. You're not going to wear it. If it doesn't fit right on you and you're not willing to go and get it all completely altered to fit your body, then it's time to let it go. All right, my next tip, which I am going to show you, and again, this is another Michael Kors item. It's a long maxi skirt with slit up the side. Very kind of beachy vibe. And so the next tip is, if it just doesn't feel like you, if you're not gravitating toward wearing it and for some reason you just never want to reach for this item, you can't put your finger on why, but you're just like, ugh, I just don't really feel like wearing that. It's a perfectly beautiful item, and if I saw it on someone else, I probably would think, wow, that looks really great on them. That's so pretty. I love that. But for some reason it just doesn't feel like you and you just don't want to wear it, then it is time to let that item go as well. And for me, that is this. This fits just fine. Size is extra, extra small, but I feel that this fits as like an extra small or a small. And it is kind of like a high-waisted, which I love, but I just have never worn it. And summer has just passed. I mean, it's still warm here in Arizona, so I probably could still wear this. And it's one of those items that I haven't let go from my closet because I keep thinking, there's nothing wrong with this skirt. Why don't I wear it? But I just don't. And it would look really pretty with white or with navy, with a tank top tucked in. And even now I'm trying to convince myself, maybe I will wear that. Maybe I'll put that on tomorrow. But you know what? I won't. I would way rather wear one of these outfits that I've planned out for myself that I actually really love to wear. So this is going to go in my POSHMARK closet as well. I've got my little note card here of notes that I wanted to share with you, and I didn't write this next one down, but I'm just going to throw it in there now because I just thought of it. You have to be a little bit tough with yourself when you're decluttering, because you will have an inner voice that is convincing you that you should just keep it for another month and see if you wear it. And then before you know, a whole year has gone by and that item, or maybe several items, have just remained in your closet, taking up space when you are probably never going to wear those things. So you have to be tough on yourself. And imagine if you were doing the decluttering for someone else's closet. You wouldn't have any attachment to the things. You'd just say, well, you never wear that, so you're getting rid of it. Like, imagine if you went into your best friend's closet and she asked you to declutter her closet for her. You would just be like, nope, you don't wear that. Nope, that doesn't fit you. You'd be much more objective. And sometimes you need a bit of that toughness with your own wardrobe. All right, this is another item that doesn't fit me. It is brand new with tags from ASOS. It is a size, US size 10, UK size 14. So cute, very feminine, this lace floral pattern. It's just so, so pretty. It would look really nice just over like a white tank top with jeans, but it's not my size. I will try it on anyways just to show you. All right, next is a who, what, wear dress. Now, if you've been watching me for ages, you'll know that I love who, what, wear dresses, and I have several that I genuinely love and wear all the time, like this one. That's the back of it. I actually just wore this the other day, and I showed my outfit of the day. It's a long maxi dress, who, what, wear from Target. I really, really like that one, and I've gotten so much wear over the years of that dress. This is another one, but it's a size small, and it honestly fits like a medium. And so I'm gonna be getting rid of this one. This one, it's time to go. I love their dresses. I just love who, what, wear dresses. I've just find them so pretty, and I love them, but that one just doesn't fit me, so I am going to be getting rid of it. And I've got quite a few more items. I'll show you one more. Okay, this one is so pretty. This is one that I kept thinking, gosh, that's so pretty. I love a shirt dress, and it has a beautiful tie at the waist. It just doesn't do anything for me. It doesn't suit me, or just something about it. It is also too big. It's a small, and I believe that it fits like a medium. So this doesn't have the tags on it, but it is brand new condition, and it's just very, very pretty, something vintagey about it that I just love. And I wish that it looked good on me, but it just doesn't. So I hope whoever wears it well and loves it and feels absolutely beautiful in it. If you are hesitating on getting rid of an item, it might be because of the money that you spent on that item, and you're holding on to this dress or this blazer or this pair of jeans that you're pretty much never going to wear just because you're thinking, but I spent money on that, or but I spent time on that, but I spent an hour at the store trying to find an item and I ended up buying this one and I didn't get the wear out of it that I thought I would. So if you can just forgive yourself and move forward and allow yourself to let go of the item despite all of that, and just let go of that guilt, that can really, really help with the decluttering process. Because there's a lot of emotional reasons that we hold on to stuff that we're never going to use. And before you know it, you have a closet full of stuff that you don't really love to wear, and that doesn't feel good either. So it's kind of like you're punishing yourself even more by forcing yourself to look at this stuff that you can't even wear anyways. And so it can feel really good to let go of these items and just clear up your closet and fill your closet only with things that you genuinely love to wear. And something else that can help with this, which I actually just did with this dress, is to picture someone else wearing the dress and wearing the item and feeling beautiful and loving it and just enjoying their day, feeling like so lovely in this garment that is just sitting in your closet and you're not getting use out of and you're not enjoying. So thinking of that can actually help you let go of items, because you're thinking, you know what? At least someone else out there gets to have joy from this item that is just sitting in my closet. And for those items that you can't really put your finger on why you don't wear them, you really don't even know why, you just don't, things that you just don't gravitate toward, if you haven't worn it in a year, then that's a really good indication that it's time to go. The odds are you're not going to wear it in the next year, and it'll just be something that is taking up space in your closet. So those are my best tips for decluttering your wardrobe. If you have been waiting for some encouragement and some inspiration to do so, I really encourage you to just take that time and let go of a few items. You don't have to do a whole overhaul on your closet and get rid of everything at once, but sometimes just encouraging yourself to say maybe 3 items a day for the next upcoming week. Baby steps can also be super effective. So 3 items every time you decide to declutter. And before you know it, you will be looking at a wardrobe filled with clothes that you genuinely are excited about wearing and that make you feel beautiful and make you feel your best. Again, I will link POSHMARK in the description box of this video and share with you my POSHMARK closet. If you haven't downloaded it, click the link in the description box to download it if you are in Canada or the US. And it's a great way to let go of these items that you're no longer using and also make some money for the upcoming holidays. That's always a bonus as well. All right, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.